Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trip of the World. Universal Studios Hollywood is located in Universal City, just minutes away from downtown Los Angeles. It's more than just a theme park. It's also a working film and television studio. The park is divided into two levels, the upper lot and the lower lot, connected by the famous Starway, a massive series of outdoor escalators that offer stunning views of Los Angeles. With world-class attractions based on blockbuster movies, live entertainment, and delicious food, this park is the ultimate destination for movie lovers. Let's start with the upper lot, which is home to some of the park's most iconic attractions. The centerpiece is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, a must-visit for any fan of the series. Step into the magical village of Hogsmeade, sip on a butterbeer, and explore Hogwarts Castle on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. The ride combines state-of-the-art technology with a thrilling storyline that will leave you spellbound. Don't forget to try the family-friendly Flight of the Hippogriff roller coaster and stock up on magical merchandise at Ollivander's Wand Shop. Another major highlight on the upper lot is the Simpsons ride in Springfield, USA, where you can immerse yourself in the world of Homer, Marge, and the rest of the gang. Indulge in a crusty burger or a giant pink donut at Lard Lad Donuts. For fans of Illumination's Despicable Me, the Minion Mayhem ride is a 3D adventure that's both hilarious and heartwarming. And for younger visitors, Super Silly Funland offers a playful, interactive area inspired by the Minions. Next up, the lower lot, where the action really heats up. This area is home to some of Universal's most intense attractions. Jurassic World. The ride takes you on a thrilling water adventure through the world of dinosaurs, complete with encounters with the terrifying Indominus Rex and the majestic Mosasaurus. It's an experience that blends storytelling, cutting-edge animatronics, and heart-pounding thrills. If you're a fan of Transformers, don't miss Transformers, the Ride 3D. This immersive 3D ride combines live-action footage with stunning special effects to put you in the middle of an epic battle between Autobots and Decepticons. And of course, there's the legendary Revenge of the Mummy roller coaster, which is a dark ride packed with high-speed twists, turns, and plenty of surprises. No visit to Universal Studios Hollywood is complete without experiencing the studio tour, the park's signature attraction. This one-hour tour takes you behind the scenes of a real working film studio. You'll visit famous sets like the Bates Motel from Psycho and Wisteria Lane from Desperate Housewives. The tour also features thrilling surprises, including the King Kong 360 3D experience, where you'll face off against a massive King Kong, and the Fast and Furious, supercharged finale, an action-packed chase scene that puts you in the middle of the action. Universal Studios isn't just about the rides, it's also a paradise for foodies. From the classic American fare at Mel's Diner to authentic wizarding treats like pumpkin pasties in Hogsmeade, the park offers a wide range of dining options. Fans of Jurassic World will love the Isla Nublar, which serves tropical drinks in collectible souvenir cups, while those exploring Springfield can enjoy themed treats like Duff beer or a slice of pizza at Luigi's. Don't forget to check out the seasonal and holiday-themed menus if you're visiting during Halloween Horror Nights or the Christmas season. Speaking of special events, Universal Studios Hollywood is famous for its seasonal celebrations. Halloween Horror Nights transforms the park into a chilling nightmare with haunted houses, scare zones, and live entertainment inspired by iconic horror movies and TV shows. During the winter holidays, Grinchmas takes over, featuring the Grinch, Whoville decorations, and festive performances. If you're a fan of Lunar New Year, Universal also offers themed decorations, character meet and greets, and specialty food items during this festive time. To make the most of your visit, here are some insider tips. First, download the Universal Studios app to check ride wait times, show schedules, and mobile order food. Arriving early is key to beating the crowds, especially for popular attractions like the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. If you're short on time, consider upgrading to an express pass. which gives you front-of-the-line access to most rides and attractions. Don't forget to wear comfortable shoes, there's a lot of walking, and pack sunscreen, as many of the park's areas are outdoors. Timing your visit is also crucial. Weekdays during off-peak months like January and February tend to have smaller crowds. If you're visiting during peak times, such as summer or holidays, be prepared for larger crowds, but enjoy extended park hours and seasonal shows. Ticket prices vary depending on the day, with cheaper rates on off-peak days. Multi-day tickets or annual passes can offer great value if you plan to return. In summary, Universal Studios Hollywood offers a unique blend of thrilling attractions, Hollywood history, and immersive experiences. Whether you're battling Decepticons, exploring the wizarding world, or escaping a hungry Indominus Rex, this park delivers non-stop excitement and unforgettable memories. It's a must-visit destination for movie buffs, thrill seekers, and families alike. Thanks for joining us on this cinematic journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel adventures.